Hey, the holidays are coming up, and you know what that means. You're gonna be in the kitchen. Well, since you're gonna be in the kitchen, you might as well spice it up. I got 3 pepper-infused salts that'll add a flavor-first kick to anything you're cooking up. Fresh cut vegetables, put them on it. Popcorn, put them on it. Macaroni salad, put them on it. Warming up with hot soup, put them on it. Listen, I can't list everything, but I'm pretty sure I'm about to help your holiday cooking taste like you know what you're doing. Take your pick from the Jalapeño salt, the Serrano salt, or the Habanero salt. Better yet, grab a gift pack and get all 3. I'm gonna hook you up too. Take 15% off your first order with code GIFT15. Better yet, buy a gift pack and you'll get 15% off your first order and a second 15% discount for you or a friend whose food you will eat. So pop over to hotsauce.com and do something spicy. Oh, and that grilled catfish, put them on it.